How you doing? This is Dwayne Powell here from New York. And the reason why I'm doing this video today, guys, I want to give you a couple of tips to help you build your MLM network marketing business, okay? One of the things when I first got started in this industry, I used to complicate a lot of different things, okay? How I'm going to get leads, how I'm going to build my business, marketing, prospecting, and all these things that can really confuse you and kind of take away from focus. And one of the most important things in having success inside your business is that you have to maintain focus and you have to maintain consistency. And what I have implemented in my business is a 3-phase process, okay? These are tips I'm going to share with you today and give you some steps in order for you to reach the level that you want to reach in your business. So the name of this process is 3 different individual phases. One of those things that we start with is called inviting, exposing is second, and closing, okay? Inviting, exposing, and closing. And if you can think in your business in this way, that this is what you need to do in order to build your network marketing company, in order to build your MLM business, and things get a little bit simpler, you can kind of categorize things, okay? So when we talk about inviting, what do we mean? Well, inviting is pretty much drawing the interest of people, okay, attracting people. That's kind of inviting. So you're inviting people to your products, your services, your opportunity. In the inviting process, you're finding out what their needs are, what they want. I give you a good example. I was actually talking to a customer service rep actually a few days ago, and during that conversation, we're talking about my phone bill and services I can add to help, to improve my services with my phone. And what happened during that conversation, I actually asked, I said, well, do you like what you do? And she was like, yeah, it's okay. I can kind of tell on the person's voice that she was kind of frustrated because it probably was a long day. And I pretty much asked her, I said, well, are you open to earning some more income and maybe creating some more time freedom for yourself? And I said, I know you probably can't really answer that question honestly because this phone call is being recorded, but you have my name, you have my phone number, you're looking at it right there on the screen. What you can do is write it down. Then when you get off of work, you can actually give me a call, okay, if you're really interested. And she was like, okay, but I don't know if I'm going to be too much interested because, this is where I'm working right now. Obviously, she's saying that because of the recording, right? So actually, when she got off of work, she called me. Okay, so in that process, I invited her, okay, and then what I did, I got her on one of my business presentations and exposed it to her, and she really liked what she saw. So that's the inviting process. You always want to think of ways that you're inviting people. Inviting can also be with marketing, okay? I utilize internet marketing, attraction marketing. You can use video, social media, however you can draw the interest of people. That's the inviting process. So you always have to start the inviting process to start to draw traffic, to get interested people in what you have to offer. Now, to expose people to your business is getting them on a presentation, getting them some sort of video presentation, a conference call, anything that's going to give them insight and information on your product or service or your opportunity, okay, once you pique their interest, once you invited them. All right, that's the key. The more eyes that you can have, the more people you exposing. See, it's about numbers, guys, honestly. The more people you can be exposing to what you have to offer and what you have, then that's what's going to allow you to create this significant, build a significant income and things that you're looking for to do in your business. Now, the last process is the closing process. Right? So in that process, you're pretty much just doing a follow-up. You're connecting with that person and you're asking them, what do they like best about what they've seen? All right? And then from there, you ask a question. Well, let's get you started. Right? Depending on what they're saying, it sounds like you're ready to get started. So usually in that phase is like they're ready to get started, or they may have a couple of objections or a couple of more questions that you just need to clear up. And that's pretty much it. But if you're following that process and you understand that you always have to be inviting, always have to be exposing and closing, closing, creating new business partners, making it sell, right? Building a bigger team, connecting with people. If you can follow that 3-step process and develop your skill sets under that umbrella of inviting, exposing, and closing, you will have phenomenal success within your business. Honestly, that's how I've generated, build big teams, currently building a big team, created thousands of dollars just by following that simple process and developing my skill sets in that. Now, what I want to do for you, I want to guide you to where you can learn how to develop your skill set, how to develop yourself, so that way you can learn how to invite more, you can learn how to market, you can learn how to close more. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to actually go to the website that's displaying on this video, that's under this video, on the side of this video, whatever you can find it, okay? So head over to the website. I'm going to share with you how to develop yourself, to start learning how to invite, how to expose, how to close more, really how to learn how to market and start to attract more people to you and your business, okay? This is Dwayne Powell signing off. See you into the next video. Take care.